Sri Krishna's final Leela stands as a powerful testament to the enduring wisdom of his life and teachings. As he prepared to depart from the earthly realm, Krishna's actions and words illuminated the deeper meanings of devotion, detachment, and the fulfillment of divine purpose. In these final moments, he offered guidance not just to his close companions but to all spiritual seekers across time. His departure was not merely an end, but a profound transition that underscored the cyclical nature of existence. Through his last Leela, Krishna demonstrated that true spiritual growth lies in understanding the impermanence of life, remaining devoted, and embracing one's higher calling. These timeless truths continue to inspire and guide those who seek meaning in the journey of the soul. On a tranquil afternoon in Prabhas Patan, the atmosphere was filled with an unusual stillness. The sun shone brightly through the leaves, yet even the birds and butterflies seemed to sense the gravity of the moment, falling silent and restless. The gentle banks of the Hiran River bore witness as Krishna sat in deep meditation, preparing for a significant turning point. It was as if all of nature held its breath, aware that a profound event was about to unfold. This quiet pause marked the threshold between eras, setting the scene for the culmination of Krishna's earthly journey. As Krishna sat in serene meditation on the banks of the Hiran River, a pivotal moment unfolded. A hunter named Jara, mistaking Krishna's exposed foot for a deer, released an arrow that struck its mark. Realizing his grave mistake, Jara was overcome with shock and deep remorse. Yet Krishna responded with profound compassion, assuring Jara that this event was destined and part of a greater cosmic design. He explained that their encounter was the resolution of a karmic debt from a previous life, illustrating the universal law of karma that binds all beings, even divine incarnations. Krishna's gentle words offered solace, emphasizing that every action and consequence is woven into the fabric of destiny. This final act underscored the importance of acceptance, forgiveness, and understanding the deeper purpose behind life's events. As Krishna bestowed his blessings upon Jara and took his final breath, the era of Dwapar Yuga came to a close, giving way to the dawn of Kali Yuga. This profound moment highlights the cyclical nature of time, where each ending is also a new beginning. Krishna's compassionate forgiveness of Jara serves as a powerful reminder of the universal law of karma and the importance of understanding destiny's role in our lives. His last teachings continue to resonate, offering timeless guidance to spiritual seekers navigating the challenges of Kali Yuga. Through devotion, detachment, and self-awareness, individuals are encouraged to pursue spiritual growth and discover their higher purpose, inspired by Krishna's enduring wisdom.